Good day, you're welcome to another episode of Abacus Training. In our past videos, we've talked about how to count, we've talked about how to add numbers, and we've talked about how to add 5 component numbers. Today we're going to be moving forward in this learning by discussing addition of 10 complementary numbers. Like you can see on my screen, we want to learn how to add 10 component numbers. In our last video, we spoke about how to add and how to subtract 5 component numbers. This is getting more interesting and you're getting closer to becoming the champion that you are on the Mass Combat board game. Okay, very beautiful. Now, what are 10 component numbers? Just like we discussed 5 component numbers. 5 component numbers, we spoke about the pairs. The pairs of 5 component number is 1 and 4, 2 and 3. The same principle applies to 10 components. So the pairs that we have for 10 components are 9 and 1, 8 and 2, 7 and 3, 6 and 4, 5 and 5. Again, I will say 9 and 1, 8 and 2, 7 and 3, 6 and 4, 5 and 5. So what does this mean? We can ask ourselves, what is the 10 component of 9? The 10 component of 9 is 1 because they are in the same pair. Or we can also ask, what is the 10 component of 1? The 10 component of 1 is 9. It's vice versa. If you check your workbook, these things has already also been explained. Again, we can ask ourselves, what is the 10 component of 8? The 10 component of 8 is 2. Or what is the 10 component of 2? The 10 component of 2 is 8. They are in the same pair. What is the 10 component of 7? The 10 component of 7 is 3. What is the 10 component of 3? The 10 component of 3 is 7. They are in the same pair. What is the 10 component of 6? The 10 component of 6 is 4. Now, why is this so? Because if you had 9 and 1 together, you get 10. If you had 8 and 2 together, you get 10. If you had 7 and 3 together, you get 10. If you have 6 and 4 together, you get 10. If you have 5 and 5 together, you get 10. This is why we say they complement each other. So 9 complements 1, 1 complements 9. 8 complements 2, 2 complements 8. So in trying to solve the problem, remember our principle. When you are adding, what do? You add the complementary numbers and then you remove the component. So for example, if I want to add 7 and 4, 7, this is 7. I want to add 4. Remember, what is 10 on Abacus? Can you place 10? This is 10, 1, 0. That's 10 on Abacus. So I have 7. I've been asked to add 4 to it. To add 4, I will ask myself, what is the 10 component of 4? The 10 component of 4 is 6. From here you can see that 6 and 4, they are in the same pair. So the 10 component of 4 is 6. So like the principle we did before, you will remove that complementary number 6 and then you will add 10 to the equation. Please don't forget. I think I should put that on the board as well so that you don't forget. The rule remains. The rule applies for the same thing. Like I said, when you are adding, number 1, identify. Then what you want to do, remove. 3, add. In the case of subtraction, you identify, you add, and you remove. So let's go ahead and do 7 plus 4. We have placed 7. We ask ourselves, we want to identify now. What's the complement, 10 components of 4? That's 6. So we remove 6 and then we add 10. Yep. 7 plus 4 is 11. Everybody knows that 7 plus 4 is 11. So we can put our answer there. 7 plus 4 is 11. Beautiful. Again, we want to add 8 plus 3. Let's quickly go. 8 plus 3. 8, that's 8. We want to add 3. Then we ask ourselves, what is the 10 component of 3? The 10 component of 3 is 7. You can see 7 and 3 are in the same pair. So what do? We remove 7. So remove 7 and then add 10. Also 11. 8 plus 3 is 11. Everybody knows that. Okay. Then the next question is 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3. So place 9. Very quickly. Place 9. We want to add 3. Again, we'll ask ourselves, what's the 10 component of 3? 10 component of 3 is 7 because they're in the same pair. What do? We remove 7 and then we add 10. What's our answer? 12. This time around, our answer is 12. Now we want to solve bigger problem. 47 plus 4. Place 4, 7 and then add 4 to it. 4, 7. That's 4, 7 on the abacus. We want to add 4. But we'll ask ourselves, what is the 10 component of 4? The 10 component of 4 is 6. So what are we going to do? We remove 6 and add 10. So remove 6. We want to add 10. Then here we do not have anyone to add. So what do we do? So what we do here, we'll pull down all the 4 and add 5. I hope that is clear. I can go again. 47 plus 4, we have 4, 7 plus 4. 4, 7 plus 4. So what you do is you want to remove the component of 4, 10 component of 4, which is 6, and then add 10. In adding 10, you don't have 10 here. Remove 4, add 5. Yes, that's how you added 10. And the answer you have there is 51. You have 51. Please note that I will explain further how you can solve that. Simple, it's not difficult. Don't be confused. It's very, very simple. It's not difficult. Again, let's go ahead. 27 plus 14. 27 plus 14. 2, 7 plus 1, 4. Add 1, 4. What's the 10 component of 4? 6. So remove the component 6 and add 1. What's your answer? 27 plus 14, you have 41. Let's put it down. 41. You have 41 there. 41. Again, the next question is 128 plus 103. It's getting intense. 128 plus 103. So add 1 here. 0. You don't add anything. To add 3 here, you ask yourself, what is the 10 component of 3? 7. So remove 7, add 10. Then your answer is 231. 231. Your answer is 231. 231. Finally, we have 386 plus 134. 386 plus 134. 386 plus 134 plus 1 here. We want to add 3 here. We do not have 3. We ask ourselves, what's the 10 component of 3? 10 component of 3 is 7. So remove 7. Add 1. We don't have 1 here. What did I say you would do? Remove all the 4. Add 5. You have added 10 like that. And then here, you want to add 4 to the last rod. How do you add 4? What's the 10 component of 4? 6. So remove 6, add 10. That's what you have done. Let me do that again so that it's clear to everybody. 386, 386 plus 134. Add 1 here. You want to add 3 here, but you don't have 3. So you ask yourself, what's the 10 component of 3? That's 7. So remove 7, add 10 to this one, but you don't have 10. You have 4. So what you do is you remove the 4, you add 5, which is 50. You remove 40, remove and added 50. So it means you have added 10, and then subtract 4 from here. How do you subtract 4 from here? What's 10 component of 4? That's 6. Remove 6, add 10. So we have 520. You can put the answer down. 520. 5. So and that's it. The same principle. Identify, remove, add. Maybe I can just give you an acronym for that. IRA. For add, you have IRA. IRA. For subtract, you have IAR. So quickly, I will pick the workbook and then try to solve 1 or 2 problems. So quickly, let me rub the board. So I'll solve 2 questions from the workbook, and then we get going. In our next video, we're going to be doing subtraction. In the workbook on page 65, I want to solve question number 1. Question number 1 is 4,356 plus 6,721 plus 2,413 plus 8,732. What's the answer? Okay. 362. This is question number 13. 880 plus 825. 942 plus 42211 plus 2295. What is the answer? Okay, so those are the questions that we have. And then we're going to be selecting our answers using the Habakkuk. So let's get going. The first one, 4-digit rod, 4356 plus 6721 plus 2413 plus 8732. Let's get our Habakkuk and pull it out. Reset your Habakkuk very beautifully, and then let's go. We're using 4 rods. 4, 3, 5, 6 plus 6721 plus 6. To add 6 here, we ask ourselves, what is the 10 component of 6? 4. What do? We remove 4 and then we add 10. Now, we want to add 7 to this, but we do not have 7. What do? What's 10 component of 7? 3. So we remove 3 and add 10. We have solved this. We move to this one. We want to add 2. We have 2. We can add 2. Here, we want to add 1. We can add 1. Again, we want to add 2, 4, 1, 3. 2, 4, 1, 3. We want to add 3 here. We don't have 3. What's the 10 component of 3? 7. Remove 7. Add 1. Beautiful. Lastly, we want to add 8, 7, 3, 2. Add 8 here. We don't have 8. What's the 10 component of 8? 2. So remove 2. Add 10. What about this place? We want to add 7. We don't have 7. What's the 10 component of 7? 3. Remove 3. Add 10. Here, we want to add 3. We don't have 3. What's the 10 component of 3? 7. Remove 7. Add 10. Yes. For the last one, we want to add 2. We have 2. Yes. Our final answer is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Beautiful. Our final answer is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 22,222. So reset your abacus. Again, reset your abacus. 362880 plus 825942 plus 42211 plus 2295. This is 6 digits row. The first one is 6 digits, so I'm going to working with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm starting from here. Okay, so I'll place 3 here, I'll place 6 here, I'll place 2 here, I'll place 8 here, I'll place 8 here, I'll place 0 here. I won't touch it. Now I want to add 825942. 825. Let's go. Add 8. I don't have 8 here. So what am I going to do? What's 10 component of 8? That's 2. Remove 2. Add 10. Here I want to add 2. I have 2. Boom. Here I want to add 5. I have 5. Here I want to add 9. I don't have 9. What's 10 component of 9? 1. Remove it. 1. Add 10. Here I want to add 4. Isn't it? I don't have 4. What's 10 component of 4? 6. Remove 6. Add 10. Here I want to add 2. I have 2. Good. Beautiful. Again, we want to add 4211. This time around, I am working with 5-digit number. So instead of starting from red, I'm going to start from yellow. So I'll add 4 here. I do not have 4. What am I going to do? What's the 10 component of 4? 6. Remove 6. Add 10. Again, I move to the next rod. I want to add 2. Do I have 2 here? I don't have 2. What's the 10 component of 2? 8. So remove 8. Add 10. Again, I want to add 2 to the next one. I don't have 2. What's 10 component of 2? 8 as well. So remove 8. Add 10. This one I want to add 1. I have 1. This one I want to add 1. I have 1. Finally, we want to add 2295. These are 4-digit numbers. So again, I'll start from green. I won't start from yellow. I won't start from red. I'll start from green. So I want to add 2 to this. I have 2. You can add 2. I want to add 2 to the next one. I have 2. I can add 2. I want to add 9 here. I do not have 9. So what am I going to do? The 10 component of 9 is 1. Subtract it and then add 10. Yes. I want to add 5. Just add 5. What's my final answer? Final answer. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 8. Final answer is 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 8. Put a comma here. Put a comma here. Our answer is 1,002,333,32 here. This is beautiful. We are beginning to add numbers up to millions of numbers using the abacus. Isn't that beautiful? If you are able to do this, put your hands together for yourself. You are one of the math compass champion. Please, we have come to the end of this video, the addition of 10 complementary numbers. In the next video, we're going to be talking about the subtraction of 10 complementary numbers. If you still do not understand how to do this, go back to the previous video, get your workbook, practice. You get better at this. Use abacus. Abacus is very beautiful. You know, play with it. The more you get it, the better you become. And then we will meet on the board where you can compete. Remember, when you are adding numbers together, identify the complementary number, remove whatever you have identified, and then add the component. If it's 10, add 10. If it's 5, add 5. If you are doing subtraction, identify it, add whatever you have identified, and then remove the component number. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.